Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Love Chisom. If this is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. So on today's video, let me show you how to make this bubu pocket that you're seeing here. The pocket on this bubu, that is what I'm going to show you today. I have a lot of tutorial on how to cut a bubu. So this is normal bubu. Just cut your bubu, whether long or short, depends on your preference. Okay, after cutting your bubu, then you can join your shoulder, then attach your pocket. So on this video, I'll be showing you how to cut and sew these pockets on the screen. So without wasting time, let us begin. Okay, get your fabric. We'll be using black organza here. Go down by 8 inches, and then you can measure 8 inches on the 4 corners. Okay, 8 inches for the depth and 8 inches for the width. Okay, and if you want it big like the one on the screen here, you can make it 9 or 9.5. So right here, cut out your fabric 8 inches by 8 inches. Now fold the upper side with a hemming gum. Then you cut out your organza. Okay, at least 2.5 inches, 3 inches is okay. You start to pin. Just watch what I am doing here. Okay, you start to pin. Cut out a very big length, a lengthy one, like maybe 50 or 55. Okay, so right here is beginning to pin. See what I'm doing? You fold it, you pin it down. Just split it and pin it down. Okay, when you get to that end, then I will show you how to do it. This place now, you are going to raise it up, shift it. Okay, just hold it down, then shift it. You're going to shift there now. Look at what I'm doing. Shift it, then you pin. Okay, then you continue to do it this way till you go around it. Then after that, you go to your sewing machine and run a stitch on it. You are also going to repeat the same process on the other side. Just watch how I'm doing it. You pleat. After that, I will then show you how to attach it on your fabric. Get it there. Continue to do it like that till you get to the end of it. Okay. After that, you're going to, let me show you how to attach the pocket. Okay, right here, you're going to come down by 18 inches. Come down by your half length. If your half length is 17 inches or 18 inches, just come down by it. But the best measurement is 17 or 18 inches. Okay, here I made use of 18 inches. I came down by 18 inches. Now, when you fold your fabric before you cut, iron it so that you have a line on the center. So from that line, you measure in 2.5 inches on both sides. That is what I'm doing now. 2.5 inches on both sides. So you're going to make use of your ruler as a guide. Okay, use your ruler to mark the lines there. Your pocket is going to cover it, or if you do not cover it, then you clean it. If it's still visible, you clean it. Okay, it's just a chalk, you can clean it. So use your stretch ruler as a guide. Mark 7 inches. What I marked there was 7 inches. Now you place your pocket. If you want your pocket bigger, like the one on the screen, if you want it that big, make use of 9 inches or 9.5. Depends on your preference, but 9 inches I think is okay, or 8.5. 8.5 plus the organza. Then you go down by 10 inches. Okay, go down by 10 inches. By the time you fold 1 inch, it will remain 9 inches. Okay, right now I'm trying to pin. You're going to pin it down. So whatever we did here now, we are going to repeat it on the other side. We do the same thing. Measure 7 inches from the 2.5 inches that you measured earlier. 7 inches, that is the space for you to put your hand. Okay, the opening for the pocket. You still use your ruler as a guide. Now you place your pocket make use of your pin. Please always make use of your pin. Use your pin to hold it down. Please, after sewing your pocket, after sewing the organza on your pocket, make sure you iron it. Very important. You will iron it and it will lay flat like this one. So you're going to pin. And now you are going to sew. Okay, you also sew like this. Join your shoulder. After sewing it, you join the shoulder, fold the sleeve, and then you're going to join your shoulder, fold the sleeve, then attach the collar. I have many videos on how to attach this collar. Okay, join your both shoulders, fold the sleeves, attach your collar. So this is the final result here. If you watch this video to this extent, thank you very much. I so much appreciate. Please try and subscribe. Okay, drop your comments and click your notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Bye.